Now welcome to your beautiful home.
MetroGuide Realty, your Metro Manila real estate guide, brings you our latest open house tour for a brand new 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located in Fairview, Quezon City near Commonwealth Avenue. So here are views of this beautifully designed home and join us as we begin this property tour.
Bautista from MetroGuide Realty, and welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in Fairview, Quezon City near Commonwealth Avenue. So right now we're gonna tour you through this beautiful home, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features.
For the property size, it has a spacious floor area of 374 square meters and a lot area of 300 square meters. For the specific home features, it has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a powder room, an open concept design, a high living room ceiling, a master walk-in closet, a spacious balcony, a dining patio area, a laundry and service area, and maid's quarters. And all just 5 minutes away from major shopping centers and the new MRT extension. Now let's begin the tour.
Let's go! Upon entering the home, you have a garden area to your right and a spacious 2-car garage on your left. On an additional note, the parking area has access to the back of the house to this area. And from here, one of the most noticeable features of the entrance is this beautiful black marble tiling. Now welcome to your beautiful home.
The open design gives you many options and freedom in furnishing the living space of your new home.
One of the best features of the living space is the high ceiling with cove lighting and a modern light fixture. It also enjoys these massive windows and already has a floor-mounted air conditioning unit. From this space, the entire ground floor has an open concept layout and flows very naturally to your dining area. Your dining area is situated in between the living and kitchen spaces with easy access leading to the second floor. It also enjoys a patio space that you can open up here, where you can have a couple of chairs and a table for outdoor dining. And from here, you have your main kitchen. Your main kitchen has a very modern design. It's anchored by this countertop over here, which you can use as an informal dining space. You can actually have a couple of stools over here. And there's a lot of space here in which to maneuver. You can have your stove over here. You already have a Ladgermania range hood included. And from here, you already have access to a powder room. And you also have access to the service area of the house. On an added note in terms of design, the ceilings are very well thought out. You have this beautiful wooden design for the foyer area. You have the high ceiling for the main living space. And you have this really warm cove lighting around the dining space. And now let's take a quick look here at the first bedroom. The first bedroom is well lit. It's facing the front of the house. You have a view here of the parking space. And you also already have a split type air conditioning unit. You can easily fit a guest bed here, and you already have custom cabinetry for closet space. And it also comes with its own bathroom. Let's now head on over to the second floor of the home. Welcome to the second level of the house where you have a family hallway. Welcome to the second level of this home where you have a family hallway which can also serve as a second living space. So you have more than enough space here for an entire living room set. You already have a provision here where you can mount a large widescreen TV. It's well lit with this large window, but the best part here is this terrace, which gives you a view of your living space. And from here, let's now take a look at your master bedroom. Your master bedroom is spacious, well lit with this corner window, and it already comes with a 50-inch widescreen TV mounted on the wall. And it also has access to a very spacious balcony. This is one of the largest balconies we've featured on our channel because it stretches across the entire front of the house. Upon going from your master bedroom, you can already see the front garden of your home. And on another note, this property is completely east-facing. So this is morning sun, and in the afternoon, the sun is on the other side, so it's quite cool over here, even if you have some tables and chairs and set up a party in the late afternoons. And now let's head back in. One of the best features of this property is the master bathroom and walk-in closet. Let's take a look. On an added note, the windows of this property are slightly tinted for two reasons. First is to reduce the temperature when there's direct sun exposure, and secondly, to give you more privacy so you can't be directly viewed from outside. So here we have the third bedroom. The third bedroom is spacious enough for a queen-sized bed or a double-deck bed. It's well lit with this large window. It already comes with custom cabinetry, a split-type air conditioning unit, and its own bathroom. Let's now take a look at the fourth bedroom. The fourth bedroom is quite spacious. You have enough space here for a large bed and even a study table and additional storage. But it already comes with custom cabinetry for your closet space. And all of the bedrooms come with their own bathroom. Thank you for joining us in this quick property tour video for this brand new 4-bedroom house and lot for sale in Fairview, Quezon City. Check out the next portion for important reminders for property buyers. We hope you enjoyed that quick property tour video of this brand new 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in Fairview, Quezon City near Commonwealth Avenue. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. If you want to be notified of our future videos, just click that like button and that subscribe button. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Here's one more look at this well-built, brand new 4-bedroom house and lot for sale in Fairview, Quezon City near Commonwealth Avenue. Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.